This spring we started some seeds indoors. We prep their beds, make sure you label each of them so you don't forget what's what. Get the seeds, place them in their little homes, cover them up, give them a nice drink so they can grow big and strong. Then just wait a couple weeks. Then voila, you got yourself some plant starts. Gently take them out and put them in their new home. We're planting a lot of lemon basil just so we make sure that we have plenty to use for recipes. Next we got some Malabar spinach. As you can tell, the leaves got a little burnt from the indoor light, but they should be fine. I use straw as a mulch in order to keep the soil nice and moist. And don't forget to label your stuff, otherwise you won't remember what it is. Lastly, give everything a nice drink of water.
Thank you guys for watching and joining us as we experiment growing food in the desert. Stay tuned and we will let you guys know if these plants take or not.